How's it going, OCD? This is Brian. I'm going to talk about how to create a topic as a teacher inside of your Google Classroom. We're going to go up here, first of all, to the address bar, type in google.com, go ahead and sign in. I'm using Chrome, by the way. So there you go. You're going to sign in using your Google account, your G Suite account. If that comes up, if that doesn't come up, that's okay. One less thing to click on. You're going to go ahead and put in your password. And then in the top right-hand corner, we're going to go to the Google Apps, and we're going to click on Classroom. We're going to go into Classroom. I'm going to go down to one of the classrooms that I'm teaching, the Google Classroom Training, which is where this video will be. We're going to go up to the Classwork section, and we're going to hit the Create button. And from there, we're going to be able to create a topic. So I'm just going to put test SLP, and so that when an SLP comes in, they have a section of their own that they can post onto. I'll show you how they do that. So they're going to create some material. They're going to go over here to the topic section, and they're going to scroll it's all by all alphabetical, and they're going to go down to test SLP, and they're going to go up here and click on the post button. So that's it. That's how to create a topic in Google Classroom as a teacher. Hope this helps you out. Thanks a lot.